Yeah, bit by bit, to know what you're doing. Placement of your nails and or fixing whichever way you want it, or you can get a full set acrylic nails. Now, the sensitive thing when it comes to acrylic nails is how you pick your bead. A lot of people pick their bead, which I'll be showing you here. A lot of people pick their bead nonchalantly. Why is it nonchalantly? You just feel you can just pick your acrylic nails without due process. Picking your acrylic nails, everything has a percentage of you your acrylic set percentage. You picking your bead, you can have 10%, have 15, you can have 20, you can have 30 to 100, whichever way you want to pick your acrylic nails or whichever brush you're using. Like using size 16, other people are using 14, maybe 13, and all the rest. That is a beginner now. You're using size 10. Is it size 10? All those things, and you need to know the brush that is size what? Okay, size 10. So you need to know what you mastered. It's very important whenever you're picking your acrylic nail. So you choose whatever brush that you mastered being today. So I'll be taking you in a tutorial on how to master your bead first on the nails before we start going for design ombre, the marble, ballerina, and different art of nails on one particular set. But what I will be teaching today is for you your acrylic nails, how to master your bead from the starting of your bead to the ending. We have a lot of people steps acrylic, which is you can put some from the starting, which I'll be showing you put some from the middle, or you put some from the center. Now, if you're a master of your acrylic, you can do from the starting of your acrylic to the ending, which I'll be giving you in details when it comes to this class now. But in today's section, what we're learning is how to bead your acrylic nails on the nails. So we'll bust down to the job, the tutorial now on how to do it, which is the practical aspect that we're doing now. And as time goes on, too, you should be taking some theories too. Also, as you're listening to me, you're taking also